How to fix a screen flickering issue on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix a screen flickering on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So first of all, hold the power button on your device and choose restart. Sometimes simply restarting your device can fix this kind of bugs and issues on your Android phone. Next step to follow is simply you need to head towards settings, scroll down, select display and brightness and choose dark mode instead of light mode. This step also help you to fix screen flickering issues on Android. Come back. Now head towards additional settings. Scroll down and search for the developer option. Select that. And after that, make sure you find the option or toggle the button on for developer options. So you need to scroll all the way down and under drawing section you will see the option of show surface updates. Simply make sure to toggle the button on, and once you do that, it will easily fix the screen flickering issues on Android. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.